How to fix Facebook Messenger camera not working. How to fix Facebook Messenger camera not working.
First open your Start menu, then open your Settings. Open Privacy. Click on Camera. Click on Change. Enable camera access to this device. Enable Allow apps to access your camera. Scroll down and check if your app can access your camera. If your app is disabled, just turn it on. Enable this so your desktop apps can access your camera. Now close your window. If that didn't work, open Start and type Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand Cameras. Right-click your camera. Click on Properties. Open the Driver tab. Click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for updated driver software. Now your drivers should be updated. You can also click on Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Click on Search for updates. If that didn't work, click on Update Driver. Click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your driver. Press Next. Now your drivers should be updated. Now close the windows and restart to finish the installation. If that didn't work, click on Uninstall Driver. Press Uninstall. Close your Device Manager and restart your PC.